Hi there, I am Manpreet and today I am going to do my last book haul of this year. I have got 8 new books and these are like the best ever books that I could have bought for myself, which is what I think. And I'm going to show you which are these books and I'm going to tell you what is the basic story in this book, just the blurb of them, and you can just watch this video and see if you want to buy some new books for the new year, yeah, or you can just watch this video for your entertainment. So let's get started. The first book that I've got is a collection of 3 stories which are by John Green. Yeah, I am finally reading this author, Maureen Johnson and Lauren Myracle. Now these are the 3 holiday romances. I bought them because it's Christmas and I wanted to read some holiday romances, and have already read half of the first one, and let me tell you, I'm not really very happy with the first story, but we'll dive into the details when I do my wrap up, right? The next book that I have got is a non-fiction book, and this book has had a great impact on me. I did a course on manifestation and then they recommended this book and I bought it, which is the second book in the sort of secret series by Rhonda Byrne. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but this is a book which introduces you to the concept of universe and how your positive thoughts can make a difference in your life. And this is a brilliant book. I have read it and I can actually see myself trying to change myself for the better, and it's amazing. But I will tell you more about this book in a separate review video as well as in my wrap up video, so we'll talk about this later. Okay, so the next one is an author who is considered one of the best authors who writes mystery, and that is Agatha Christie. And I have got a Caribbean mystery by her. She has a lot of books and I am so unlucky that I haven't read any of them. I have 2 books by Agatha Christie but I haven't read them, but this haul is particularly which would be my priority. So yeah, I'm going to be reading a Caribbean mystery very soon. Now this book is about a woman who goes on a holiday sort of thing. She is on a Caribbean island, and recently I have been very much interested in the Caribbean islands. So she goes there, she meets an old man and he starts telling her stories, and she's very interested in that, and suddenly he tells her a story which is very interesting, and right then they both are interrupted, and that interruption is going to be proved fatal for one of them. So that's what the story is about. It seems good, right? The next book that I have is from one of my favorite authors. I've read The Zahir last year. I have read 4 more books by the same author, and this book is The Witch of Portobello by Paulo Coelho. I love this author, you know that already if you have been a regular on my channel. And this book is how do we find the courage to be true to ourselves even if we are unsure of who we are. So that's what just got me into this book, and moreover I have so much of trust on this author that I just buy his books, read them, and then think about what the story was about, because his stories are a brilliant blend of philosophy and different kind of fiction. So I have got this one. I'm very excited about this. By the way, I also got a package of bookmarks. These are like different bookmarks in different colors, and I love them because they help me read a lot of different books at the same time, and also keep track of my reading, and I don't get lost and I do not have to reread stuff again and again. It saves my time. The 5th book that I got is again by a favorite romance author of mine, and he is Nicholas Sparks, and this is The Notebook. I have watched the movie. I know it's a great movie, but I am really very sure that this book is going to be even better, and it's such a small book. It's going to be a very nice start to this new year, so I am very excited about this. The next book that I have got is by an author who is again recommended a lot on BookTube, and that is Sophie Kinsella, and this is The Undomestic Goddess. Now this is about a woman who is very much career oriented, and she gets very much loaded with work, and then she decides to take a break. And when she takes a break, she goes to a place. She ends up being a housemaid at a place, and obviously this is a love story, but it's about how she ends up being a housemaid when she doesn't even know how to cook or do anything. So I thought it would be a great one because I truly like the stories where you have really strong, powerful women and they discovering something new about their life. So that is something I really love. I do not know if you got the point, but yeah, I am very excited to read this book. Next book is again by an author whom I haven't read, but I own one book of this author, and I know this is an amazing author because the movie which I watched after reading her book is one of my favorite movies ever, and that is P.S. I Love You by Cecilia Ahern. Now I got this, If You Could Save Me Now by Cecilia Ahern. Now this book is about a woman, who was always very busy to have friends, and she doesn't have any friends, and now her husband is gone from her life and she has a boy. Now, they are very lonely, and there is this person who comes into their life, and the whole story revolves around that. This new person who has entered their life, and whether he's gonna stay or he's not gonna stay, and everything about that. All of these are like very contemporary and very, nice novels which I think will make me feel really good in the beginning of the new year. That's what I want for myself, so yeah. Last but not the least, I have decided to start a new book series. I am really very, passionate about reading many book series, but I haven't completed many of them, but I wanted to start a new one this time, and that is the Bloodline series by Richelle Mead. Now this is obviously related to vampires, okay? And this is by the author of Vampire Academy. Now I haven't read Vampire Academy as well, and I swear I looked for about half an hour in the bookstore to find Vampire Academy book 1, like the Vampire Academy, but I couldn't find it, and these are not related, so I thought why not start the Bloodline series. So I am starting this one. So these are the books which I bought in this month, and this is my last book haul of 2016. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I also hope that you got some inspiration to buy new books. These are like really cool books, and I am like 90% sure that I will love these books. So let's see if I love them or not. To see that, you have to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and you also have to like my video. That will actually increase the chances of you seeing my videos. So if you want to keep watching my videos in your YouTube timeline, subscribe, turn on the notification button, or just like my video and comment. You will see them anyway. Yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I'm waiting for your comments down below to see that which are the new books that you bought or you wanna buy. So yes, bye bye. This is Manpreet signing off.